Hello folks, this is my miniature Harley-Davidson Knucklehead engine. The Harley-Davidson Knucklehead motorcycle was produced from 1936 to 1947, and there's the famous Knucklehead rocker cover. Very nice engine, runs on gasoline. This engine put out 40 horsepower in its day. Very nice detailed engine, made of brass, polished nickel, and stainless steel. Let's see if she'll start up.